Alright, we just pulled these off of the smoker. They've been smoking for 3 hours. They look pretty good. We're going to add a little bit of rub. Little rub and honey. That's probably good. And then honey. We're going to smoke for another 2 hours in foil. Alright, we just got the ribs off of the grill. They have been on for 2 hours in aluminum foil. So we're about to reveal what they look like, and then we're going to sauce them and throw them on for another little bit to where the sauce gets cooked. So, dude, these are looking good. What do you think, Nat? Alright, we have the final product here of the 1 rack of Smithfield baby back ribs. What do you think, Nat?
Awesome.
Alright, we're going to taste test and see how we did. Alright, Nat, taste test. How is it?
Good.
You like it? Let's see.